Too Many Freakin Crafts
And
with me and Colin. And what we're first going to do today, we're continuing where we left off yesterday on our color kits.
yeah.
Who are we working on right now? Who's this supposed to be?
Patty Green.
Patty Green. It looks like a dude in a woman's dress, but really it's going to be a girl.
And I look fabulous.
And now both of them are it's.
Both of them are, what's that?
Pat.
It's Pat. Okay, so we got to build that hair, okay, off of this thing.
Yeah, so I'm thinking that we first start off with making troll hair.
Okay, people, here we go.
So you mean like the big, her big bangs?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's got really big
Like,
bangs.
I got fangs.
there's like 3 parts. No, 2 parts.
Yeah, it sort of dips
2
into
parts in
her.
it. So there's part the hair on the front is sort of like troll hair.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's some like circle in the background and the back.
Like a big, huge bun, and then 2 little pigtails coming out of it.
Pigtails.
Yeah. Okay, so starting the application of the hair. Now we'll
Troll
get to
hair.
Colin's calling it troll hair.
Yeah. I call it troll hair.
Rainbow Brite, see the shining light. Yes, I'm gonna take you to Rainbow Brite. Starlight light right before your eyes, and rainbow colors will cheer you up. Magic light, come on, take it for a ride. Rainbow Brite, see the shining light. Yes, I'm gonna take you to Rainbow Brite.
And I'm back.
And he's back.
So let's see. Let's see it so far. Now it looks like an old woman.
It's the bad kitty.
Mm-hmm. Well, at least it's starting to look more female, right? That's a step in the right direction. All right.
Now
We're gonna need to start adding more hair.
it's time for me to put some more hair.
Yeah. All right. Some more?
I do it.
Oh, are you doing it? Okay. Hello. Ah. Yep, so we're back. You're like, what was that? Well, that's Forrest Gump turning into Patio Green. Forrest Gump turning Patio Green. Had a little mishap. He fell over into the blue paint.
Yeah.
And he's back. He's back to help too.
Lucy.
So just do a little bit.
Lucy.
And this is Lucy, who's here to help Colin eat his snacks. So that's what little sisters do. They come and help you eat your food. Always get more. I mean, get her own stuff. That would work too. Okay, so we added a huge lump on the front. That's going to be the front part of her hair.
Troll hair.
So Colin keeps calling the troll hair. And then the back is going to be the fun part.
Because the back, without the back and the pigtails, it looks like troll hair.
Yeah, but it doesn't stick straight out, so. And you're right, it does have a similar look to troll hair.
Right now, Mommy is doing something, and I'm going to be putting some lines in the hair. Okay, I do not think I can do this. Several stuff I was saying that wasn't part of the video. Mommy's in here, and my mom's over there. I don't really know how to do all this myself. So, how about we don't? Yeah. Yep. We don't.
It's broken, Mom. Mom, it's broken. Mom, it's broken. Mom, it's broken.
And who are you, my Rubenesque beauty?
That's Patricia. I know his Krusty Krab employee.
Well, she sure is stunning.
Hey everybody, we're rounding up to the end of the video. Got the final touches almost done. Thanks for stopping by and watching us. Make sure to come back for the next video, episode 4. We paint Patty, Buddy Blue, and Red Butler and finish them up. Thanks. See you next time on Too Many Freaking Crabs.